Hey, this is Dave. Just want to take a minute to show you a WordPress plugin I've got coming out soon that will allow you to make responsive squeeze pages super easy. So let me just show you what the end result is and how to do it. So this page here. So here it is. You got a big background picture. And then you've got this little squeeze area in the middle with title, video, and down below you've got your autoresponder code to catch emails. So I've got it set up so it's super simple to get this up and running. And I talk in minutes, assuming of course you got your autoresponder, you got a picture, you got a video, and all that good stuff. So let's pause this real quick and I'll show you what I mean. So if I create a new page, give it a title, put in some content here. Whatever you have here in this content area will show up on your squeeze page. Down below this is the section that controls the display. So this squeeze responsive right here, you just activate it by clicking here. You pick the template. Currently there's just the default colors. Has not really been implemented. Everything's in white. You give your video embed code, a call to action, and your autoresponder code. Notice I'm just using the JavaScript provided by Aweber in this case. All of this is optional. Like for instance, I can delete this. I could even delete this. I'm going to save it though. And if I was to update my page and then go view it, should not see that little call to action or the autoresponder code. And that's it right there. There's the video in the background. So what I mean by responsive is, look, if I resize this window, for instance, if I make it bigger or smaller, the image grows and stays constrained appropriately. Think of it as good for different devices like mobile devices, phones, or even tablets or something like that. You can shrink it and it won't lose the size that it starts off with. So here's what I would do. Let's go redo this one real quick. For instance, if I was just to deactivate it, click on update, I'd go back to the normal page, which would look just like this. That's it. So I want to have this activated. Let's say I want to put in different code, some embed code. This time let's do YouTube instead of Vimeo. And let's put the autoresponder code in. So let's go here. Instead of get GoPro, let's just say go skiing. Yeah, something like that. I'll leave that there, save it. And all I need to do is save it here and it'll update on my web page, assuming I have the code. And what I need to do is go to step 2. I've already done this. Go to step 3. Install it. You can do the raw or the JavaScript. JavaScript makes it really super simple. Just come down here, copy that, back to this page here, paste it in, and oh, here's where you get the background image. You have to set a featured image. The more recent WordPress versions have this. Let's remove that one, and now let's set one. And I'm just going to drag a picture from my desktop over. It's going to crunch it, do all its little magic. And when it's done, I need to tell it what size picture. And you know, kind of be cognizant of where this is going to show. If it's on a phone, you might want to go for something smaller, but I'm just going full size. Use as featured image. It's done, disappears. There's the background image. So now I've got a YouTube video that will show up on top of this image after I've saved it or update. And you know what? Let's just do this. Let's cut even this content out so there's nothing except the video and the autoresponder code. So that's all I had to do. View it. What I get is different this time. There's a YouTube video right there. Now I could get fancy and format the video so nothing really shows and it just auto plays. But look, that was super simple to do by changing the background image, the YouTube embed code, pasted in my autoresponder code, and I've got a super simple responsive squeeze page. So stay tuned. In the next few days I should have this buffed out, and I'll be looking for people to check it out, get some feedback on how it works for you and what do you think might be nice to add to it. So just some examples. You should see a link for it somewhere that gives you an idea of how it works in an email you get. Thanks.